I am Dhairesh Patwari
And I am Akshay Saraf.
and we are the Lifesaver. So we have created the life trafficking boat and it holds under a banner named the Lifesaver. So as you can see, you have heard about the Titanic tragedy. So it was a very worst disaster and many people were killed and drowned. So to reduce these types of accident, we have made this type of boat. We have used an ultrasonic sensor which will help to detect any object. For example, I am putting this object and as you can see the propellers are not working. And if I remove the object, first the right motor will work and after that the left motor will eventually work. This is a radar system. So if I put a object in front of it, as you can see there are red bars showing which indicates there is an object. The notification will directly go to the nearest command center and to the cockpit.
In our project, to ultrasonic sensor frame, two servo motors, to Arduino Uno, and one motor driver has been used. Arduino Uno send command to all the components what they have to do, what move they have to make. We have to command Arduino Uno according to that only. Like if we directly connect Arduino and motors to Arduino, it won't work that much proper. So we can divide the work of motors and Arduino. Servo motors. Servo motors rotate 180 degrees only to move ultrasonic sensor which is above it.
Thank you.